How to find HSBC Bank near me. Now, it's going to be depending on your area or location from the country of origin. Now, from here, you will be able to see everything using the HSBC official website. Now, all you have to do is just pull up your preferred web browser and then head to HSBC Bank. Now there are different websites in here. For example, UK has a different site, US has a different website as well, and then Philippines has a different website. Now, in here, once you already have the website open up, all you have to do is from the search bar, just simply type in branch finder, like this one. So once you tap on branch finder, if you're using your mobile device, for you to be able to get the nearest location from HSBC Bank, just simply turn on your location and it will automatically be pinned as red right here. So this is the nearest HSBC Bank on my area. Now, if you're gonna be on a different country or region, all you have to do is just to add your postcode or town so that the Google locator finder will be the ones to give you the nearest HSBC bank on where you're currently residing at. You can also go ahead and check all the branches that HSBC on your country has. So those are the things that you can do to get the nearest HSBC bank.